And welcome once again to the Writer Online's lesson. Is Prince Papa Tony, the teacher. Today I want to look at multiplying fractions. What do you need? You need only 3 steps. The first step, multiply the top numbers, call them the numerators. 2, you need to multiply the bottom numbers, call them the denominators. And then 3, you need to simplify the fraction if needed. Look at this example. 1 divided by 2 times 2 divided by 5. What do you need? The first step is to multiply the top numbers. Top numbers are 1 times 2 as you see them here. So divide by 2 times 5. Those are the bottom numbers. This will give us 2 divided by 10. When you look at this fraction, you can simplify it furthermore by dividing by 2 in both the numerator and the denominator. Therefore, the answer will be equal to 1 over 5. Thank you for following Prince Papa Tony, the writer, the teacher. If you want to try out, you can try out this one. 1 over 3 times 2 over 16. Try it out and see what you will get.